Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Top of the morning. Top of the morning to you. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all, man. Yesterday was a day in history, my friends. An absolute day in history. You guys experienced it. You saw it. Exactly what happens when the market just goes straight up all day long. Look at this. Oh my God. All right. Wow. That's remarkable. That is absolutely remarkable, my friends. Absolutely remarkable. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How y'all doing? We are back. Today is happy hump day. Happy hump day. It's Wednesday. Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Every day is a good day to make some money, baby. Good day, good day, good day. So. Did you guys make money yesterday? How'd you guys fare yesterday? Everybody come out alive? Nobody tried to short the top yesterday? Nobody tried to short the top yesterday, right? Anybody? Anybody try to short the top yesterday? Lost money on space? That'll happen. That will happen. A little bit of Space Jam. Space Jam. Talking about the Space Jam. Space. Space. Caught a reversal. Made some money. No, did not short the top. That's good. Hey, if you survived shorting the top yesterday, congratulations. What the fuck? My monitor just turned off. It's really weird. Why did my monitor just turn on? No signal. What the fuck? That's very weird. The monitor just turned off. Oh my God. It's not good. It's so weird. It was so weird. My monitor just turned off for no reason. Now it's back on. Okay. Cool. Awesome. 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 All right, sorry. Back to it. It's hard doing everything around here. Running the stream, making the money, doing it all live. Well, overnight, impressively enough, we have held up. We have held up overnight here, so I guess that's good. That's good, Junior. Well, I mean, I would say that's a pretty strong breakout there yesterday. We've got a key level coming up, right? 30,000 being that key level. But look at that pump yesterday. Massive pump. Massive. Absolutely massive pump here. Absolutely massive. Massive pump. Look at the ES. ES is just boosting above all-time highs. Yesterday hit the high of 786. Today, 7,800. So, yeah, it looks like that crazy move there, my friends. It's a crazy move there, my friends. We got some new deals hitting the board today. We got some new deals hitting the board. Looks like My Funded Futures. My Funded Futures got a new end of day plan. It's a rapid account. They just announced it. I think I got to buy me a couple. I think I got to buy me a couple of those, right? I mean, end of day, rapid payouts. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it. I like it a lot. You can see here, they got the rapid plan. They got the 150K account. No activation fee. Profit target for the 150K, 9,000. Max drawdown, 4.5. Daily drawdown, no. 10 contract max. 50% consistency rule. Once you're funded, you got 4.5. Max, again, no consistency once you're funded. No scaling rule. 1 day to pay out. Minimum payouts 500. Buffer requirement is 4.6 on the 150K account. So the 50K account with the code PW is $78 all in. And the 25K account is $54 all in. Again, no activation fee or anything there. So, I mean, I like it. Oh, fuck. That was for the rapid plan. Sorry, the rapid end of day plan. I was reading the wrong one. Yeah, the rapid end of day here. They got the 50K is what they're launching now. So, no daily cap. Minimum payouts 500. Net profit between payouts 500. Buffer requirement 2.1. No activation fee. There's a 30% consistency rule in the rapid end of day eval. Profit target 3K, 2K. So pretty standard, but the funded rules is kind of what people are excited about with that. So My Funded Futures coming out with a new plan. Rapid end of day. Rapid end of day. It's a rapido. Wait, am I retarded? Why is it only 20% off? What am I doing? I'm these goddamn the fine print, man. Where's the fine print at? The fine print, man. Supposed to be 50% off, I thought. I don't know. Nobody knows anymore. The good news is I'm literally $300 away from getting a payout with Tradeify today. So fucking close. These are my Tradeify accounts. We need to make... Right now we got about a $4,000 profit. We need to make $389 more. $389 more to get a payout there and keep that party going. So we're so close. So close. So close. Consistency rule, baby. Those are the 50K growth accounts with Tradeify. So they got that 5-pack bundle. 5-pack bundle. 5-pack bundle. Did ICT say anything about the challenge? No, he's already pussied out. 50% is only for first-time customers. God damn it. Yeah, 50% off at Tradeify would be great. What'd you guys think of Blue Sky? Yesterday we had Justin from Blue Sky here at the BDH. What Ginger said Blue Sky takeover was fun. Fun. It was fun. Fun. 200K with the code PW. There you go. Seems like ICT comes out of the woodworks once a year, challenges everyone, balks the challenge, and then disappears. Yeah, that's pretty much what he does. And the funny thing is, ugh, my hair in my mouth. The funny thing is, you know, he obviously just does the same thing over and over, never shows proof of anything, but his followers eat it up. I'm serious. I have never seen more retarded people in the entire planet than ICT followers. Like, you have to be absolutely retarded. And I say that in the most respectful way. You know? Most respectful way. Would you recommend a financing company for Syrians? You're watching this YouTube in Syria right now? God, we really are worldwide. Is this gonna be a Head and Shoulders? It's not like, not beautiful, but we had it high overnight. We got stuck here so far. I mean, 30,000 is right there. You would think 30,000 would be a good mental target. The overnight high, 980s. But who knows? Hourly chart looks a little better for that Head and Shoulders now, huh? Sam Pass says he is the only loyal subscriber in India. Only loyal subscriber from India. Let's go. Someone said no wick on the 4 hour. I see a wick. I see a wick, sir. I do see a wick there. Morning, Barbara. Barbara Brock or Barbara Rock? Barbara Brock or Barbara Rock? No one will ever know. Barbara. All right. Try to make some money in these Apex accounts today. That would be nice. That would be nice. Try to at least. I'm gonna try to at least. So we've had two really big just pump days in a row, right? Daily candle, you can see literally Monday, Tuesday, straight up. No pullback yesterday. No wick on the bottom of this daily candle right now. Will this be an area to pull back, build out a bull flag? We're going to see. Why is it pumping? It's pumping because Citadel bought all the AI stocks, and now they're up billions. What's crazy is just the other day, Leopold, the guy, Leopold, what's his name, right? That whole deal went down where Citadel bought his book. They bought his book, and it's crazy because now they're up like billions since buying his book. Absolutely insane. They said it's estimated that Ken Griffin's Citadel made $3.2 billion in a couple days after taking over situational awareness firm. Crazy. Well, that's some real fucking Wolf of Wall Street type shit right there. Leopold was and the funny thing is Leopold was about to get married. Leopold got married that last weekend. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Gotta love it. That picture took me out. No, it is a good picture. All right, well, we got about 10 minutes here, chat. What do you think? Continued pump? Continued pump? Or what? Let's see. We got a poll in the chat. Up or down at open? Up or down at open? Ugh. Got a 50-50 poll right now. 50-50 poll. When trading at all-time high, where do you know where to take profit? Yeah, I mean, you don't. Honestly. You don't. So that's the issue, right? You just got to kind of ride the momentum. Heather Trell says a pullback would be nice, right? Yeah, I mean, yesterday a pullback would have been nice as well, but I mean, it just kept going all day long. So we'll see. I'm sure at some point it's going to pull back. Just the question is at what point? So at what point will it pull back? Right now the poll here in the chat, we got 53% up, 47% down. So pretty 50-50, I'd say. Pretty 50-50. What I'm thinking here is very simple. You know, I'm thinking very simple idea, right? Very simple. If we go up at open, it's a long. If we go down at open, it's a long. So basically, we go see what happens here, okay? We got the overnight high. That would be a very just kind of good spot to break out. We have the overnight low area, obviously. So we're right in the middle of it. Right in the middle of it right now. We've got yesterday's close there, 865s. 30,000, just a big level to the upside. I mean, the ES is still pumping. ES has not stopped pumping yet. I'm going to be keeping like a close eye on the ES, right? I want to see what the ES does here at open. Keeping an eye on NVIDIA as well. NVIDIA kind of a big gap up as well. Or actually, yeah, decent sized gap up on NVIDIA, about $3 or $4 from the overnight move. So we'll see what happens. Right now, 54% of the chat are voting up. 46% of the chat are voting down. So, you know, it's one of those things, my friends. It is one of those things. We got lucid deals. We got take profit deals. We got them all. Get the fastest payouts. Withdrawal payouts instantly. 40% off and no fee at takeprofittrader.com. And don't forget, Tradeify also making some big moves. And MFFU Rapid right now. 50% off for any new MyFunded futures. 50% off the Rapid end of day account. So for everybody who's not a new user, life sucks. We got to just pay more money. We just gonna have to just pay more money. And obviously, shout out to Blue Sky. That 30% off deal is still going on. They said it was going to end yesterday, but hey, maybe there's a little bit, you know, a little bit of time. If you're going to grab another account, use that code PW. Let's get into it, baby. Big shout out, like always, to the biggest and the largest, the #1 platform for prop trading, Ninja Trader, Tradeivate. They go together. They are together. They are one. So we got 5 minutes here till market opens. I want to give a big shout out to everybody in the chat for your support, for tuning in daily. It's pretty wild. Like right now, there's 3,000 people watching around the world. We're worldwide, baby. We got all types of people up in here. We got all types of people. All religions, all ethnicities, all sexes. We got every sex possible. We got all the sexes. We got males, we got females, we got he, she's, she, she's. We got studs. We got lesbians. We got them all, man. We got them all, you know? So, big shout out to everybody in the chat. We love you. All right. We got 445 likes. I do appreciate you guys. I do appreciate it. We got Africans. We got them all. We got Africans, Asians, Europeans, Americans, South Americans, Central Americans, Bahamians. We do got some Bahamians in the chat. I know we do got some. Who here in the chat's from Bahamia? We got any Bahamians in here? Where the Bahamians at? I know they're out there. Look at that. See? I knew it. Do we got any Amish? There's got to be at least one Amish person here. Come on, we got everybody. We got people from Westeros. We got people from Dawn. We got people from the north. People from the south. We got the Starks. We got the Lannisters. We got the Targaryens. We got them all, baby. We got them all. The Tullys. The Vale. Everybody's here. Everybody is here. Right now, the Nasdaq getting ready for market open. We got 2 minutes. Get ready for war, chat. Am I watching House of the Dragons? Oh, you know it. You know I'll be watching House of the Dragons. Come on now. Right now, I'm watching House of the Dragons and then Silo. Silo is really good as well. Silo on Apple TV. If you've never watched it, it's pretty cool. It's about these people that live in a big silo underground. All right. So this is very similar to yesterday, right? Just pump straight up at open. You gotta love it. So let's see what happens. Anything's possible. Straight fucking up. Gotta fucking love it, man. Yesterday it went straight up and then we got long and it just kept going straight up all day. Will it continue? You never know. Look at that pump there either way from the 910s up there at 960s. The short's getting squeezed already. Market's not even open yet. And the market's already squeezing up. Which house am I, Patrick? I would be the Starks. I'm House Stark. Duh. The North. The king in the North. I'm the king in the North. Even though I don't really like the cold weather. I heard it's not always cold there. Sometimes it's warm as well. I'm a Hufflepuff. Exactly. All right. We got 40 points until we get to 30,000. Market is about to open. God, I mean, is it just gonna go straight up or what, you know? 30,000 just seems like it's got to get hit here. It would probably, I mean, it would just make sense that they kind of break out through that overnight high before pulling back. Should we just try a quick long right here, just straight through 30,000s? I don't know. Is the risk worth the reward? We're only like 20 points from there now. God. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Market is open. I'm looking for a long here. All right, we're long 30,000 for the breakout. Almost. Wow. Really? Got that close. Got that close, chat. Nvidia's pumping. Nasdaq's pulling back here. I'm gonna try to add right there at the 60s. As long as we can hold above 940s, we should be okay, but we'll see. I want to see a pump out of this level, obviously. Come on. 30,000 breakout here, baby. Let's go. Let's go. We're going for the biscuit. We're risking it for the biscuit. 30,000 breakout. Let's go right through here, baby. Get it over with, Nasdaq. $30,000 breakout. 30,000 breakout. Come on. Trouble. Let's go right here. Push. Push. That's not good. Denied once again up there. And we're about to blow the accounts. God damn it. Yep. Stopped out there. Motherfuckers. Now it's, look at this. What a pain in the ass. Yeah, that was 10 Apex accounts. Gone. I wanted it. We just didn't get it. Kind of is what it is, to be honest. I was so close to breaking out there, weren't we? I should have probably taken it there when we were up to the 90s again. I'm looking for another long here, though. I think we're going to go long again. Get this pump through here. I don't fucking know. Right where it stopped me out, too. Looking for 30,000 to break out here now. Wow. Look at that. There's a 30,000 breakout. It had to stop me out before going up, obviously. Just had to stop me out before going up. Painful. That's the hardest part about trading sometimes. Even when you're right, you're wrong. You know? Like, even when you're right, you're fucking wrong. It's like, God. Why, Nasdaq? Why do you have to do this to me? Looking for more. Come on, get through this 30,000. We got to get this pump going, baby. Keep this pump going. Nope. There we go. Come on. I'm letting this push, baby. Let's see if we get a little push here. Looks good. All right, there's up there to the 20s now. Can we get more, though? Can we get more? What account allows 40 contracts? Are you fucking retarded? I'm scamming everybody, guys. This is not a real account. Oh my God, it's all fake. I got 20 Apex accounts. They're 20 Apex accounts. Do the fucking math, idiot. God. It's called copy trading. The chat. Ooh, Patrick, how do you have 40 contracts? Like, either way, like, why does it even matter? Why are you so worried about it? God damn it, look at this pump. Oh. You do have to love it sometimes. You do have to love it sometimes, chat. All right, we broke above 30,000. Is there still enough momentum to go higher? My original kind of plan was that 30,000 area. And there's that swipe right back down now, so we might be in trouble here. Oh God, big dump. See if we could buy this dip here, but not looking good. Wow, just got absolutely destroyed there. I wanted that pump to the moon, chat. Not today, they said. That was a 100-point pullback. 100-point pullback right there. Straight back down 920s to the open again. I would say the shorts are probably going to be in control here now. That was a pretty big give back, but let's see. Pretty big give back. Da-da-da-da. We got the VWAP right below us. Nvidia is still pumping. 220s on Nvidia now. I don't know. Straight back up again. Oh my Lord. What a swing. What a swing. And right back up again, 30,000. I want to see if we can get back above 30,000 here. Obviously, some major moves going on. That might be the trouble here. We're going to see. Probably should have taken profit on that pump back up. Awkward. Nvidia is still pumping up. Nvidia is still pumping, chat. Can Nasdaq pump one more time to make another high here? I think so. I think so. There you go. Through the 30,000s again. Looking for this pump all the way through the 40s there next, chat. We are live on YouTube. I love how it got 1 point from my target, by the way. 1 point from my target there. Take some profit right here, and then look to ride the rest a little higher here. Getting greedy, sir, they said. I like to be greedy, chat. When the market's presenting opportunities, I like to be greedy. I like to be greedy. I like to be greedy. What do you guys think? Who's making money right now? W's in the chat, baby. W. Like I said, that 30,000 break just wanted to go. I was talking to the market makers. They said 30,000 looking real good. Looking really good for a breakout, boys. We had talked about it before, pre-market as well, getting above that overnight high, 30,000 now. So congratulations. Congratulations. We'll see what happens here now. Nvidia kind of pumped up 220s. Still trying to push, so let's go. Just need a little bit more. I just feel like as soon as I take profit, this thing's going to keep squeezing, right? But who knows? Maybe I'll take profit right here, and then I'll let you guys get the pump. Right? I'll take profit for you guys, chat. I'm going to sacrifice my long for your profit. Okay? I'm going to take profit, and then it's going to pump. Here it goes. Get ready. I'm doing it for you, chat. I'm doing it for you. I'm doing it for you. I'm doing it for you, chat. I'm doing it for you, man. Still pumping. That was a crazy move there, I'm not gonna lie. Absolutely insane move. What'd I tell you? What did I tell you? I said I would take profit and it would go higher for you guys. I did it for you guys. Why does nobody support me the way I support you? You know, who's gonna take a loss for me to take a win? You know? Who's gonna take the loss? I'll take the win. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, can we get 1,000 likes here on the stream? Can we get 1,000 likes here on the stream? Look at it, still pumping, pumping, pumping. I got these blue sky accounts. I might need to take a little. I need to take a trade in. I need to make another like $800 in these accounts. See if we get some kind of pullback here, or do we just continue squeezing higher? Like I said earlier, there really wasn't like a Well, I guess, yeah, 30,050 area is this previous high area. So that was kind of our original target this morning, to pump up there above 30,000 to the 50s. So let's see what happens now. Let's see what happens now. Need like just a little pullback. We got news today too, right? We do have news today, I believe. August 5th, 9:45 and 10 o'clock news. We got 9:45, we got 10 o'clock news today. Just keep that in mind. We got news coming out here in 1 second. 1 second till the news comes out. Still pumping. Nasdaq said, I ain't done. I took a quick little pump right there, chat. That wasn't even worth me talking about because it was like literally, it was like a 6-second trade, right? Just five contracts in my Tradeify accounts. Was just looking for a quick little pop through this high there. That was like 10 points, so I would be patient. Give it a second. Give it a second, chat. You got to give it a second here. See what happens. 15-minute range is now set. We got 10 o'clock news as well. We got 10 o'clock news here as well. So keeping that in mind. Keeping it well. Keeping it good. Uh-oh. I think I did it. Looks like I got these accounts ready for payout with Tradeify now. So I made just enough money to pay. I needed to make over 4,389 for the consistency. And now we're at 54,409. So I think we're good to go. We got 5 trading days with $150 in profit. And we are ready for a payout. So I think I'm going to go ahead and lock those accounts out, right? Might as well lock them out. You're in the money, Patrick. Why not lock them out? Be smart here. I like to be smart with it. The nice thing with Tradeivate right now is you can lock out individual accounts. Like, see, like right there, if I just want to lock one account, I can go like locked account, but obviously we're going to lock them all out. So I'm going to lock out all the accounts. We're getting paid. Payout is secured. No reason to trade any more than that. So shout out to Tradeify. Send me my money, you motherfuckers. Send me my money, you motherfuckers. Let's go. All right, we got to make some money in these blue sky accounts now. We got to make some money in these blue sky accounts. Continued pump through this high. We're holding at the EMA there. I'm going to try it. Stop is right here at the bottom. Kind of a tight stop. Either we're going to keep pumping like we did yesterday, or we're going to chop around here. If we get stopped, we get stopped there. I'd rather just kind of play it small size. Only 2 contracts, 1 contract per account. This is the 200K static account with Blue Sky. So right now, Blue Sky is 30% off with the code PW still. Nvidia kind of pumping back up. Nasdaq still pumping back up. I like these longs. We held the EMAs beautifully there. Looks really good for a new high push. New high push is what I want to see. Up there to the 30,100. Can I get some W's in the chat? There it is, chat. There it is. 10 points. 10 points. That was almost 40 points, by the way, okay? There it is. The EMA on the chart is the 9 EMA. 9 EMA on the chart there. All right, so we broke out of the 15-minute range, having a little bit of trouble at this previous high, which we just drew out, that 30,050 area, right? That's kind of like right into this area here. So If we break through all this, 30,100, maybe 30,300 is very doable. I don't know about 300 today, but 30,100 kind of makes sense for this trade right now to worry about. So let's see if we can get it all the way through there. If we pump up above 60 again, I'm going to move my stop break even there and try to trail this some. Still want to give it all the way back, but we'll see. I need that 60 push here, baby. 60 push. Lots of resistance here. Yes, I know. But that's why if it does break out, we have get some momentum to the upside there. I wonder how many bears try to get short on this candle right here. How many people do you think try to get short right there? You know they did. She's getting tight, getting really tight. Something's about to happen. I want to see if we can just get away from this, my entry at least. All right. Oh my God. Yeah, we're out. Did I just move my stop? Oh my God, I'm out. No, I'm in it still. I'm going to add right there, I guess. So that was crazy. Buy the pullback, I guess, today. I was right when I was moving my stop is when that dropped. Need to hold 30,000s here. If not, we're in trouble. The middle of the 15-minute range is basically 30,000 area, so let's see what happens. A little bit of trouble here. Need to pump, pump, pump. That was an 80.1 minute candle there. 80.1 minute candle. You gotta love it. Trouble here now. See if we can hold this 30,000 level, that key level. We got news at 10 o'clock as well, chat. News at 10 o'clock. Someone says, is it me or is it volatile today? Some guy. It's you, bro. Everybody else is so easy. No, it's volatile. Very volatile. Right now, we're looking. This is the 1 minute chart we're looking at. 1 minute chart here. Oh man. Giving it a little bit of room here, just in case we're gonna get some like rip back up here, but obviously that was a nasty denial, a nasty break off the top up there, but. If we can hold 30,000, might be all right, but if not, trouble in paradise. I got my stop like right here below 980s now. What do you prefer, personal or funded account for a beginner? I would say a funded account would be best idea for a beginner trader. All right, 30,000 still holding there. Come on, let's get this pump out of here, chat. One more pump. 30,100, Patrick. Let's go! I say Patrick like I do it or something. I got you guys. 30,100, pump it. This guy says, I get surprised every time I get in this live stream. Patrick takes a trade 1 minute after open candle. That's more gambling thing to see. I never copy, but just that energy is not good for my trading. It's my fault now. It's all my fault, chat. The reason he's a losing trader is all because of me. All right, we look like we're gonna get stopped out here. We're stopped out there. And now it's gonna, you got it, no way. No fucking way. No fucking way right now. Come on. No fucking way, chat. Are you fucking kidding me? That's not real life. That is not real life. I guess I gotta try it long again. Fuck me, dude. Try it again. Why not? Well, never mind. Terrible idea both ways. Motherfuckers. Well, goodbye, blue sky. Goodbye, my love. Goodbye, blue sky. We got news at 10 o'clock. It's going to be the ISM non-manufacturing PMI number there at 10 o'clock. So. Just kind of chopping around here, holding up. Yeah, right back down again. Full mode back. Oh, God. It chops me out, and then I get back in, and then it chops right back in. You gotta love it. Oh. We got news here in 4 minutes, so we'll see what happens when the news comes out. Just kind of chopping around here, 5-minute chart. We're still inside the 15-minute range. Momentum drying up. We pushed up to that resistance 30,050 area, and a little bit of trouble there now. So we got news here in 3 minutes. 3 minutes till the news drops. Drop. Wicks on the 5-minute, yeah, but we got wick on the bottom there. It's like it's curling up, right? Like it's curling up here. Like maybe it's gonna go. Maybe. Just curling up. Holding 30,000. What in the motherfuck? Bro, what is this? Ugh. I haven't used My Fund of Futures in a minute, and I just logged into some My Fund of Futures accounts, and it looks pretty funny. Fuck. She's pumping again. Come on. You got news coming out here soon. These candles are looking so weird on this chart. I'm looking for 100. 5-minute chart is still holding the middle of that 15-minute range. We just got a big range right now. So, big range right now. Can we pump out of here? You got 30 seconds until this news comes out. Will the shorts get squeezed? Will they get squeezed? All right, there's the news. Little pullback here. Yeah. New 5-minute candle, obviously gonna pull back maybe into these wicks one more time. I don't fucking know. Straight down to the middle of the range again. La 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 la. Very aggressive price action here. Very aggressive. Yeah, it's chopping me up too. Someone said they're getting chopped up. I'm getting chopped up here as well. These blue sky accounts are taking a beating right now. They're taking a beating. Taking a beating right now. Well, we had multiple fucking 20, 30 point pumps there, and we just were being greedy, so. Yeah, it looks obviously trouble here now. 5-minute candle is straight down there. Yeah. Straight down, Lieutenant Dan. Not looking good here, boys. We're going to get stopped out for sure. These are blue sky accounts. We were so close to passing them. So close. But yet, so far now. Why they gotta do it to me like this, Nasdaq? Down to the VWAP. Yeah, it is not looking good. The hourly candle is all the way back down now. I mean, the good thing is we did pass 20 Apex accounts. We locked in our payout with Tradeify. But the blue sky have been sacrificed to the gods of trading. The blue sky. Nasdaq bouncing off the VWAP for now. Hourly chart straight down there. Maybe putting a wick in, maybe. ES is holding up at the VWAP as well. 7,800 on the ES. I didn't take my rhino pills today. Yeah, you're right. You're right. The question is, do you try to reverse here and try to get continuation to the downside? Or is this going to be where we pop back up? What do you think? I think we try this, see if we're going to get continuation to the downside, but it'll probably pop right back up off the VWAP here now. Probably. Yep. Oh, God. Yeah. Stopped out there. Blue sky. It's gone. Now it just chops right back up. That was bad. You gotta love it. You do have to love it sometimes, chat. It is funny. If I would have just stayed long, we would have been fine. Look at that. Pumps right back up. Someone said it's not my day today. I mean, we're winning, chat. We've had multiple winning trades. We locked in a payout with Tradeify today. So, I mean, it is what it is. I wouldn't say anything. I wouldn't say I'm having a bad day. I think it's just part of the business sometimes when you're trading multiple prop firms, multiple accounts, and all that fun stuff. So if I had one account, I would have been done this morning probably. Back up there to the EMA. Do we try the short? Do we try the short here? I got some new MFU accounts. We're gonna try the shorts here. These are, this is a brand, I don't know. I haven't traded on this in a minute. Why is this all fucked up looking? Oh my God. Pumps right back up. So much for that idea. Nope. Trying to see if this 30,000 is going to be resistance now, but looks like Nvidia is pumping again. Yeah. Pumping again here. If we break 30,020, I think you got to get out of the shorts. It's like right there. Right there, holding on for dear life. Fuck. Yeah, it's just too choppy. How do you turn that shit off where it does? I don't want to see the fucking. The line. How did I turn those fucking lines off? Wow. It pops up, pulls right back down. Motherfuckers. Now we're just gonna get chopped up here inside the 15-minute range. Terrible spot to be trading at, by the way. Yeah, just absolute chop fest. God damn it. Why is it? Why can't I not get rid of that bullshit? It's not there. Settings. Motherfuckers. Just close out of that bullshit. God damn it. Trading is fun. Yeah, it's fun. Just chopping here. Dude, it wasn't there. For some reason, I swear to God, that on that instance of Trade Evade, it just was not there. Like it. See, look, it won't fucking show up. Why does it look so different? See, it doesn't, it's like different looking. Why is it different looking? You see, it's like, it's different. Right? Like, there's no, you can't go to it. Price level settings. It's not there, I'm telling you. Yeah, but I want to see the fills. Uncheck the grid. It's not those. It's not those lines. It's the lines that were going in between my orders. Is what I was talking about. Guys, will you shut up? I fucking know what everyone's like. You guys, the show feels. You gotta have the show feels. I know. Oh, God. Yeah, that's what it is. It's like a legacy chart. That's what it is. Nah, it's definitely like a legacy chart for some reason. Yeah, see, I fixed it. Now it works. For some reason, it was like the old chart or something. I got it working now. Now it's working. See, now it's actually, you can see it there. Before, it wouldn't allow, it was like an older chart. I don't know why it did that. Oh my God, Nasdaq still pumping here. Still pumping. Just kind of stuck here in the middle of the range now. Going nowhere quickly. Going nowhere quickly now, so. All right, good time to be patient here. Obviously, market ain't moving, so. Gotta let it do something here. A lot of chop. As you see, what happens when you trade the chop, you blow your account, so. If you're trying to blow your account, keep on trading. If you're not trying to blow your account, keep on fading. Well, we pushed up, obviously. We got to the high. We now are just basically hanging out in the middle of the 15-minute range. Hourly candle does have a wick on the bottom. They're holding 30,000s. What can it do here now? Just hold in there, man, right in the fucking middle. Dude, is there gonna be some continuation here next? I mean, back above 30.20. Maybe the party continues. ES, Nasdaq, everything's very tight right here. I'm not gonna lie. I don't lie. I don't want to lie to you, but I mean, it's getting tight. Something is going to happen. getting very, very tight. 5-minute chart as well. So, I mean, I think basically back above these 5-minute highs, 30 area, I would take a long. You might ask, well, where would you take a short at? Well, I mean, we got chopped up shorting in the middle there earlier. We got the VWAP right here. If we start to break to the downside and then we push up, get some resistance, maybe that's a short setup. As you can see right now, pulling back to the VWAP again. So, bounced right off the VWAP once again. How come the VWAP is one of the only indicators that you use? Because that's all I really need. I got the EMA, I got a VWAP, and that's really all I have, and then pivot points. So sometimes less is more, you know? Sometimes less is more. Someone said, why is the Nasdaq down, bro? I mean, the Nasdaq's not down, bro. The Nasdaq's just pulling back, bro. Since the low last week, the Nasdaq is up almost 10%. So, I mean, just a little pullback here. Watching to see what happens. Do I still use Bookmap? I do not. I don't use Bookmap. Looking good. I mean, I don't want to say looking good, but if you're short, you're happy. But I want to see what happens. I want to see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Do you just trade flags? Pretty much. Pretty much. All right, we bounced off 920 earlier. Do we blow through 920 and start to sell back down there? We're going to find out here very soon. Very soon. What time is it? 10:22 in the morning. 10:22. I love how on Twitter I posted a video of me trading, right? Just a video of me trading. Nothing else, just a video of me trading. And then this is the response. Racist piece of shit. But, you know, I don't want to generalize. But if I was to guess, where is Kelvin Wirico Mensa? Where does he live at? Let's guess. Should we guess? Anybody want? I'll put $5 on the idea that he lives somewhere in fucking Africa. All right, let's see. Ghana. How did I know? How did I know? You know, what are the chances? What are the chances that I know? You know, I would never have known that. And the best is, like, this is what they post. You're telling me this is a educated, smart person who's just over here posting, reposting bullshit all day. You know? Clearly this guy's rich. Clearly. He must be a doctor, right? He must be a doctor or something. He must be a doctor. Only the best of the best there on Twitter. Wow, 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 wow. Pumped straight back up here. I mean, I want to say one thing. I am happy that we at least did what we needed to do today. We locked in that payout with Tradeify. You know, we lost some evals, but we focused on what we needed to do, and that was to lock in this payout, right? We needed to lock in this payout. As you can see there, we are good to go now. Payout is secured. Up 4,400 is pretty much what we needed to get below that 35% consistency rule, and we got it done. You know, the losing evals, you know, it happens. It's part of the business, but getting these payouts done, I think that's what we needed to do today. That was my goal today, and we got that done today. Very difficult price action. A lot of volatility. As you can see, I mean, it's really going nowhere. The shorts and the longs are both getting cooked. So we're right back down again. Okay. I'm trying to figure out, is this a short setup or is this gonna just chop around here? Don't want to spam, but what does the VWAP tell you? VWAP is the volume weighted average price, right? So it gives you an idea of what the actual volume is doing. If the VWAP is flat, that means there's not a lot of volume. It's not like a very, you know, convincing move. We're just flat right now. So you got bears and bulls battling here. A lot of big institutions and bigger funds and stuff like that, they're using the VWAP on stocks. I like to use the VWAP as like an indicator to be like, should I be looking for a long? Should I be looking for a short? If we're below the VWAP, obviously I think you got to look for shorts. If we're above the VWAP, you're like, well, maybe I'm waiting for a long setup. So that's how I use it. It doesn't always work. You know, at the end of the day, it's just a line on the chart. It's not going to make you rich. So, you know, that's just kind of what I'll say about that. That's what I'll say about that. What are your settings for the VWAP? I don't really change any settings. These are my settings. 1 hour orb is the next good setup. Is it? Yeah, maybe. But I mean, I don't know if I'd want to. If it gets back above 30,020, I think that's a better entry than waiting for, you know, the 70s. So I trade the 15-minute opening range. The orb is 15-minute. We got right now, you can see the VWAP's kind of like holding up there. We bounced off the bottom of the load, the opening range there. So the market is rigged. Let's go. Amen, brother. What is my favorite orb? I mean, 15-minute. And if you look, you know, what's funny is if you look at the VWAP, I mean, most like good setups will start, you know, very close to the VWAP. Like even, what was that, Monday? You know, Monday we got above the VWAP there. We then broke out. So I'm not going to say that it's, you know, guaranteed to always be like that, but I would say most, you know, good moves will kind of start or originate near that VWAP level. But it's kind of how it is. I mean, just the other morning, we were right there at the VWAP. It opened, dumped. So I mean, you got to think about the market being like a rubber band, right? Whenever the market gets too stretched, either short, you know, up or down, it's going to pull back and kind of try to snap back to, you know, reality. But the problem is you never know exactly when that's going to be. So I think when you're looking at the chart and you see it start to get a little too stretched out, that's when you got to be like, okay, that looks like trouble. All right, 15-minute range now being tested. You got 866s to the downside, so we're breaking this low right now. Is this going to continue lower here? We lost 900. I'm going to try this short, try to add into this on a pop back up if it pops back up. Or I'll just be targeting these 67. What was that close yesterday? 65s. 65 would be kind of that area to get that gap fill. Yeah, technically price is bearish now. We're breaking that 15-minute range, moving down here, trying to get this previous close area. Sometimes they do this where they fucking front run it. Just like that. What were we? 3 points away from getting filled there. Can we get it here? There we go. 30 points. 30 points. W's in the chat only, please. W's only. W's only. I might not always win, but when I do, I win with you. Okay? You know? I might not always win, chat, but when I do, I win with you. Hey, that could be my new motto. Patrick Wieland. I don't always win, but when I do, I win with you. Put that on a fucking billboard. Put that on a goddamn billboard if you know what I mean, okay? I might get me a billboard that just says that. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Ooh. Ooh, look at this. We got $50 Pokemon cards? $50? Ooh, $50? I mean, it's too cheap to not play. $50? Let's see what we get. $50 Pokemon card coming up. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's do $50. $50. Ooh. How much is that worth? Ooh, look at that. We made $8, boys. We're up big on Pokemon. One more. I wonder what's like the most expensive card you can win here for a $50 card. All right, market did pull back. We filled that gap right there. So now the $1 million question is, where do we go next? Wally's Compassion, ultra rare. Oh, $27. Cooked. All right, so the Nasdaq bounced right off of that close from yesterday, right? That was the that close from yesterday. So that's right where we bounced at now. Let's see what happens here next. Do they send you these cards? Yes, they send you the cards. Spend 1,000, lose 400. Spend 50, make $2. True. Very true, very true. You have to show the collection one day, bro. I've got... How many cards do you think I got, Ginger? Ginger, how many Pokemon cards? I got like another 50 coming today, actually. I probably have, I don't know, 500 Pokemon cards minimum. All right, we pushed up there. We got stuck at that EMA. So will we continue lower here? I'm gonna try to short stop is above this high, and we'll see if we can get some momentum to the downside started up here. Probably gonna chop around here now. Classic. I'm gonna add right there and then see if we can't get some new lows coming up. Overnight low right now is what, 797? So like maybe 800 next? Maybe? Maybe not. Pretty big push back up on the 15-minute chart, so yeah. I don't know. She needs a roll. She needs to roll over here. I love this. Someone in the chat goes, Pokemon cards are like stamps. They may be listed as they're worth a lot, but in reality, they're only worth what someone is willing to pay. Sir, that is called reality. That's everything in life. Like literally everything. Like literally the dollar is worth literally what the government says it's worth. There's nothing there's nothing on this planet that is just worth what it's worth. Right? Gold, diamonds, it's all a market. Everybody, it's all, somebody is literally, it's worth what someone is willing to pay for it. So, I mean, all you did was just state the fucking obvious there, sir. You literally just stated the obvious. Patrick, Pokemon cards are only worth what someone is willing to pay for them. Do you not know that, Patrick? Oh, do you, Patrick? Patrick, do you not know that Pokemon is only worth what it is worth? It's simple math, Patrick. If you think about it, Pokemon is only worth what it is worth. Okay? Pokemon is not real, Patrick. No shit, Sherlock. No fucking shit. All right, well, we are short. We're looking for overnight lows. Overnight lows get us down there to the 800 level. You know what's funny is the Nasdaq is only worth what someone is willing to pay for it. Do you know that? Do people know that? Like, oh my God. The Nasdaq is only worth what someone is willing to pay for it. Oh my, guys, right now my short is worth $8,000. Right now. But it might not be worth that in 1 minute. Someone goes, gold is used in electronics. Pokemon has no real value. Oh. Fuck. I guess I should sell my $1 million worth of Pokemon cards quick because it's worthless. Oh, come on, Nasdaq. Don't chop up here again. I mean, the idea here is that we can move down here to this overnight low, right? We took out the overnight high already. We took out that key level 30,000. NVIDIA's kind of pulling back. ES is pulling back. ES is below the lows. So ES has that gap fill, puts us all the way back down there to the 760 area. I like the shorts here. I might be wrong. It might pop back up, but I like the shorts here. So I'm gonna stick with the plan. We're looking for 800 level, right? That's kind of my goal here. Maybe I'll take it off a little earlier, but we'll see. A lot of volatility today. So can we get a nice little winner? Try to make a little bit of money here. We're doing it live. We're short here on the Nasdaq, live on YouTube right now. We got millions of people watching around the worldwide. If you have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. We're looking to kind of get this overnight low area, 800 area, short off of the pushback up, a little bear flag, and I want to see this thing rolling. We're rolling. So, can we break through these lows down here? Can we break through the lows? Come on. All right, we're moving stops to break even, and we're gonna trail this kinda. Looking for these overnight lows here, guys. Oh, come on, Nasdaq. So close to my stop there. I'm gonna move this right to here, 880. It's still break. That's a little under break even. Ooh, I like that. Come on, rejection off the EMA. We sell through the 30s here. Let's go, baby. I want to get filled. Oh, you son of a bitch. We got about 20 minutes till this hourly candle closes. Fucking A. I'm moving these. I'm gonna regret it. I'm gonna move my stop up just because this thing is fucking being retarded right now. I'm looking to add to this short here, guys. We're right there, 860s. If we can stay below this 80 level, I'm gonna add right there and try to look for this move down through the lows now. Ugh. NVIDIA is about to roll over. ES looks weak. Everything looks weak here. I'd be very surprised if this squeezes back up, but I guess I wouldn't be too surprised because, well, it's been one of those days. As long as you stay below 880, I think we're clear for this short. I think we're clear, boys. Come on. I think we're clear. We just gotta go down. We got 15-minute candle closing here soon. I would love to see a straight drop right down to my target. That'd be beautiful, wouldn't it? New 15-minute candle now. I think if we break 840s, we're going. Break 840s, we're going. We got to get through 840s there. Hit that like button if you haven't already. More likes, more love. We got to get the market dumping here. Come on, roll it over, Nasdaq. Roll it over. Do a trick for daddy. Do a trick for daddy here. Start to... You want to see this sell right here. Like this 840 just needs a break. Ugh. That sucks. How annoying. So very annoying. Just hanging on for dear life down here right now. Dear life. My entry is now support for the whole fucking market. Citadel is about to pump this bitch to the moon, he says. Ken Griffin goes, Patrick's short. Time to pump. Time to pump. Buy more. God. Yeah, it's just kind of pushing back up here now. Well, we tried. We did. We tried. And we failed. Back up to the 900s again. Only chance we have is to short here off the 900s and we get this follow through to the downside here. That's the only chance that we have here. If not, we're cooked. We're cooked. Kind of rounding out down there. It's the only chance that we have. I need some angry music. Hold on, I gotta change this music right now. This is like terrible music. I need some angry music. Cobra Kai. Nvidia is looking like it just wants to roll over here. I don't know. They're just like kind of hanging on for dear life. Take a little bit of profit here to start to scale out. We sized up pretty big here. Someone in the chat said I was cooked. I guess I'm fucking goddamn filet mignon. Fucking Wagyu. Medium rare. Medium fucking rare, motherfucker. God. Why does no one ever believe in me? You know, like that's the worst part, man. I do this for free live on YouTube. In the chat, they don't give me no love. It's always just like, haha, Patrick, you suck. Haha, Patrick, it's a long. Haha, Patrick, you're a gambler. Haha, Patrick. I mean, why not be nice? You know, why not be like, hey, Patrick, that looked like a really good short. It might still work out. You know, why can't anybody just like love me? Why does nobody love me, chat? You know, what did I do? What did I do to make the chat hate me so much? What did I do to make the chat hate me? I don't understand it. Like, why do you all hate me for? Well, you know, why does the chat hate me? I don't understand it. We made money on that trade. I don't get it. I truly don't understand it. Like, why? Like, why are people mad at me? Like, why are people like, it's a fucking long, Patrick, you suck. Patrick, it's a long. You fucking faggot, you suck, Patrick. You're the worst, Patrick. You fucking got cooked. Ha ha ha, Patrick sucks. Like, why is that needed? You know, why do we need that in the world? Right? I mean, I don't understand it. I don't understand it, man. You know? I don't understand it. Is this a good trade? Is this a good trade? Is this a good trade right now, chat? Is this, I don't understand it. The chat said I was cooked. They said I was sucked. Look, this guy said, nope, time to move back. Take profit. Getting ready, market makers. You know? Longs in play. Longs in play. I would be cautious. Dumbass. Ha ha ha. Well, I don't understand. Was that a good trade? Was that a good trade? I don't understand. I don't understand, man. We took out the lows down there, by the way. Took out the lows down there, chat. So, I mean, I don't know. I tried. All I can do is just do my best, you know? I'll be better tomorrow. I'll try to be better tomorrow for the chat. For the chat. Guys, I'm just a guy, man. I'm just living. I'm just a guy, man. Everybody, all the haters, man. The haters, man. Well, there you have it. Nasdaq breaking the lows just like we talked about earlier. Who would have thought? Not me. Not me. All right, my final stop is going to be right there at 840. We broke the lows down there to the 799s, just like we talked about earlier. So, at this point, if it wants to chop back up, let it. I'm not that worried about it. Dude, PW, you're just a dude playing a dude that looks like a dude. True. Very true. Very true, my friend. All right, we have our stop here, 50 points in the money. We can't lose. So, if we get stopped out, that's literally what? Like $5,000 profit. So, there we go. Yeah. I like $5,000. It's pretty good. All right. Stopped out there. Let it fucking chop around now. It took out the overnight low, and you can see how it squeezed right back up. So we had the right idea. We took the trade. We made some money, and it is what it is. So W's in the chat. W's in the chat. I want some W's in the motherfucking chat. Tony said that I should hold until 27,000. Tony, 27,000, bro. You know, this guy trying to scam my chat. Get out of here, Patrick. Why'd you cover? Patrick? Why'd you cover, bro? You could have held this. Just hold the short until 27,000. It's clear as day, bro. Clear as day. You could look at this. Clear as day. Short 27,000. That's my target, bro. That is my target. PW, why not Helkin ashy candles? I mean, nothing personal. I just don't use them. Yeah, I mean, this is the Heikinashi chart. I I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Would I have had better entries here? Probably, I guess. But obviously, in hindsight, I don't know. So this is Heikin-Ashi, and this is normal candlesticks. Yeah, I don't know. Turkey Russ says that I lost him $10,000. I highly doubt that. I highly doubt that. I'm not sure how you lost $10,000 because of me, bro. So sounds like a personal problem, to be honest. Sounds like an absolute personal problem to me. I mean, I don't know, but it does sound like a personal fucking problem there. All right, well, it is now 11 o'clock. We're getting ready here for D-Money coming up at 12 o'clock. We got D-Money at 12 o'clock. You already know. You already know we got the D-Money. That boy's good. All right. Let me see. What do we got? New hourly candle. We swipe the lows. Probably need a little bit of a push up maybe here on the hourly candle, right? Kind of makes sense. 29,900 level maybe. Maybe. Win PW D-Money Poke Battle. What? You want me and D-Money to Pokemon battle? Sir, that does not seem like a good idea. I would whoop D-Money's ass because I got the best Pokemon cards there are, okay? Let's be honest. D-Money can't hang with me. D-Money can't hang with me. In honor of our last win, let's buy a Pokemon pack. Imagine my bank account just goes declined. Fuck. All right, come on, baby. We need a good one here. $5,000 card. $5,000 card. $5,000 card. $5,000. Oh. Charizard. It's a 9. Oh God, come on, at least be $2,500. At least $2,500. God, motherfuck! God damn it. God mother. Now we gotta do another one. We gotta do another one now. I cannot live like this, chat. I cannot. We gotta do one more. Come on, chat. Pray for me. Pray for me. I can't look. Is it good? Is it good, chat? Is it good? Is it good, chat? Articuno. It's a fucking PSA 9. God, it's not gonna be good. Oh, God. Last one. I got no more money left. It's got a hit on this one or nothing. All right. I can't live like this anymore. Can we get a good one? That's not a good one. God. Fuck. This website's fucked. I need a new website. They've cooked me. They have absolutely cooked me. Oh, it's like $10,000 just down the drain today. You gotta love it. My fucking PSA 9 bullshit. Ugh. Easy come, easy go. You know what they say. Easy come, easy go. Someone said that's what you get for being an LOL trader. Sir, I'm rich. You're poor. Your name is 77777 Wave Productions. Like, tell me you're gay without telling me you're gay, sir. Please. Go ahead and tell me. Oh. I knew he was gay. I fucking knew he was gay. Look at this. Bro made a little fucking music video. Let me turn this other music off. Bro made a little music video of himself.
Why this beat so complex?
Is that a fucking, hold on a second, bro. Is that your mom's sauna booth? Are you inside your mom's sauna booth? Is this your mom's fucking spray tan booth? What is happening right now? Bro is inside his mom's spray tanning booth. Oh my God. I didn't make this up, he made it. Bro is Taliban inside his mom's spray tan booth. This can't be real life. This guy just said, I'm an LOL trader. With his mom's dishcloth on his head. Bro, you gotta get out of there. You gotta get out of there, bro. Yeah, free promo. Yeah, everybody go buy this guy's new album. Free promo. God, tell me you're gay without telling me you're gay, bro. That's not a weed tent. No, that's not weed. I'm telling you, that's for like a fucking, that's one of those sauna rooms. Look, sauna tent. I'm telling you, it's a sauna tent. It's literally what he's in his fucking mommy's sauna tent. God. I have seen it all now. I have seen it all. Absolute fucking tool bags. God. In queue, back up to the close area before. La 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 la. Yeah, I mean, I don't really know. Do you hit a short here again? Kind of bear flagging, I guess. It's not very pretty. I mean, the fact that we kind of already took out the overnight low, or the London low, you know, a little tricky. This guy, Michael, goes, Patrick, you're a fucking trading streamer. Stop watching BS and show the charts. Hey, Michael, why don't you suck my dick? God. This guy was spamming the chat. Like, Where on this live stream does it say Patrick Wieland is your bitch? Show up and tell him what to do. Where does it say that? Where? Is there a sign behind me? Is there something going on behind me right now? Patrick Wieland, you're my bitch. God. Fucking idiots. Just hanging out. I mean, it's just kind of pushing back up. We had a really good short setup that we took live. Everybody was hating on me, but we took it, made a little bit of money. So kind of is what it is. Made a quick little almost $4,000 in these 5 take profit trader accounts. Right now, Take Profit Trader is 40% off, no activation fee. Patrick, what's that drink? It's just some Celsius bullshit. Any relationship to Scott Wieland? No. No relationship to Scott Wieland that I know of. So, Nasdaq back up here, hits that EMA, pulling back here again. I mean, maybe she starts to roll over here. Maybe. Again, right off that EMA there. I'm gonna try a short. Stop is above 900 here. I don't love it. I don't love it. It's not like I don't love this setup, to be honest, but let's see if we can get something to the downside here. Like I said, I do not love this setup. Just because the fact that we took out the overnight low already, you know, is there still a lot of, you know, momentum to the downside here? I don't know. We'll see. But I mean, there's about 100 points to the downside possible. Sometimes the setups that you don't love are the ones that play or pray or pay or they make you pray. I don't know. Something like that. So we'll do this. We'll put a target right here. We'll put a target right here. And let's see if we can print. Oh, yeah, buddy. By the way, that's 30 points. W's in the chat, please. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Go ahead and pay their bill. Every time I give you a winning trade, there's one requirement. W's only. W's only. Oh, man, that's a nice one. 30 points right down there to the 40s. I'll take one off there. Why not? Put the last stop break even. 10 points. It's a win-win. It's a win-win, baby. It is a winning trade. Where are my haters at now? Where are my haters at now? Where are my haters at now? Catch me outside. Catch me outside. Catch me outside. Side. Kiss me outside. It did not take out the overnight low. Well, it took out London low, which is, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much overnight low. It definitely took out the important lows, the Asia low, London low. Obviously, that big move up yesterday, you got to expect some kind of pullback here. You've got the ES still going for that gap fill. So ES puts it back down there, 776, 7,764 to fill that gap. If that continues like it's going, well, then the Nasdaq should continue down here as well. So at this point, it's just free money, baby. I'm going to move my target or my stop down to the high of this candle now and see if we can't get it all the way down, baby. Give me 100 points down here. What a nice, easy trade this was. Such an easy trade. You guys like this trade? That was like 0 drawdown, by the way. I mean, this was a beautiful trade. I'm not going to lie. Absolutely beautiful trade, guys. Shout out to all my haters in the chat. What are you going to say now? He's just a gambler. That Patrick Wieland, he's just a gambler. He just gambles. He just gambles. Well, there you go. That's 74 points, by the way. So. Little reaction there off 800 again. Might be a little too greedy. We'll see. What time is it? 11:16 now. So we got a new 15-minute candle. Yeah, it could be a little bouncy bounce here. Nvidia still looks weak though. 219 on Nvidia. ES is also looking weak. But we'll see if we get this full move down through here. I think like the low of this candle from yesterday at close area, from that last like hour candle yesterday, the low was 761. So could we get down there? Possibly. I mean, possibly. Very, very possible. You never know. Great trade either way. Like, I'm not going to be mad about it, to be honest. Oh. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, chat. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. That's 100 points live. And look at that. Are you kidding me? Did I just draw a yellow line on there? Did I just do that? Did I just do that? I want to see some serious W action. I want to see some serious W action there. Boom! Absolutely destroyed that one. Absolutely destroyed it, guys. From the 74s down there to the 770s. That's 100 points. That's 100 points. Congratulations. And yes, we do this for free every single day live on YouTube. Look at that, right back up too. Wow. Wow. Look at that. And like we said, we were looking at this candle from yesterday, right? The low of that candle was 761. The low of this candle is 763, so we got pretty fucking close to it. And look at that reversal right back up. So. Someone says that was yesterday's low. What? That was not yesterday's low. What are you talking about? Wow. Look at that pump right back up too. Right back up. You gotta love it. Crazy work. Crazy work. Well, I mean, at that point, that trade was too good. I feel like anything after this is just you're pushing your luck. When it's that easy, when it goes directly to your target, you cannot complain. We got short there at 74, took the first for 30 points, and then let it ride for the full 100. So that looked like like I said, the ES filled that gap. We were talking about there, the ES. So the ES filled the gap and had that quick reaction right back up. So someone in the chat said they've been long since market open. I mean, that's not a very good plan. Being long since market open might not be the best plan. I don't know. I don't know a lot of things, but I do know one thing. I do know one thing. I guess I don't know. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. When you guys are done trading for the day, what do you normally do? What's your routine for the day? I'm interested. Do you guys what do you got? You got a thing you do? Do you go to lunch? Do you go to the gym? Do you go to work? Are you at work? What are you guys doing at the end when you're done trading for the day? You do have to love it sometimes, though. You do have to love it. Oh, we got. All right, we got. Ooh, everybody's all excited to tell me what they do. Let me see. Slow down. Jason, he goes golfing or goes to the gym. No desk, goes to work an actual job, retire, gym, rub one out. Nice. Speeding. What do you do speeding? Lock account and go to sleep. This guy raps in his mom's sauna tent. That's nice. Oh, rich girl, she goes to the gym or Pilates. Oh, okay, Mrs. fucking... I'm gonna go to the gym or I'm going to Pilates. Ooh, okay. Patrick, will there ever be a D-Money code? No. It's PW, bro. Why would D-Money gets paid by me, so why would D-Money have his own code? Makes no sense. Going golfing with the boys and drinking some Millers. Pick up the kids, go to the gym, work out. I see a lot of smoke a blunt. Okay. Pilates. Jasper's going to Pilates too. Barbara's out in the yard doing some yard work. If it's a good day, go. I see a lot of people talking about going to work out after trading. Is that a thing, right? You know? We got Eagle Eyes going paddleboarding or going out in the boat fishing. I like that. Turkey Russ says he loses all of his money watching me. That's cool. We got a guy from Australia. He goes to sleep. Interesting. Thinking about doing more money? What? You're doing the money? I go to the trap and then start trapping. What are you doing, Randy? King Zach visits his girlfriend after winning. You just go over there and fucking do freaky shit. You do a little freaky shit over there, you little freaky freak. A little freaky freak. All right, let's see. Do a little poll here. Who's up? Who's down today? Up or down on the day? Or we'll say green or red. Green or red today. Now answer it honestly. If you're red, that's okay. It does happen. We've all been there. But if you're green, let me know. How green are you? How green are you? Wow. Wrong thing. 62% of the chat are green today. 37% red. I mean, that's better than, hey, that is better than the normal odds. I mean, as long as more than 10% of the chat makes money, that is better than the actual statistics about trading, right? They cite 90% of traders lose. I mean, today, 63% of the chat won, so. Yeah, I mean, it sucks because, you know, you get those moves in the morning sometimes where you just get chopped up. And then what happens, you know? The market actually gives you a good setup later on, so. Sometimes surviving that morning chop is the key, right? You gotta survive that morning chop. Nasdaq just kind of sitting down here, 29,800s, going nowhere quickly. Man, I have been holding on. I have been waiting for Ethereum to do something now. Ethereum has gone nowhere in like the fucking last few days. I got $80,000 that I'm trying to buy more crypto with, and I can't even buy more because the market hasn't went down at all. So I don't know. Frustrating. I want to spend some money. Imagine having $80,000 ready to go, but you just don't get you don't got a setup. I know that's the worst when you go over consistency rule. Sucks, man. It really sucks. XRP is the play here. Nah. It is not the play here. Someone said, pay my American Express bill. Don't you worry about me. I already paid it yesterday. I paid it live on YouTube, by the way. Nasdaq's just kind of drifting down here. The shorts are obviously in control right now. Moving back down. Moving back down for now. For now. For now. How many American Express points do you have? Let me look. Right now, I have 1.1 million points on American Express. Total balance, 0. What should I spend $1 million on? 1 million points. I mean, I've used those points throughout the year already. This is in the last 3 months. How many points have I earned? So I've earned 3 million points in 2026. How many you get? What do you get? 1 point per dollar, right? Wait, does that mean that I spent $3 million in 2026? Really? Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Yeah, I mean, I don't think I've really bought anything. It's all points. Huh. Damn. I spent too much money. I need help. 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 Someone help me. I need help. 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 Are you still rich? I mean, I guess it really depends on what happens. 10 years of hard work can be undone by overspending. True that. Can you please donate by using the code PW? Guys, I gotta pay for my spending habits. Use the code PW. Well, like I said, Nasdaq is kind of chopping around down here. Just chopping around, so. Are you live every day, PW? Pretty much. You spent 2.9 million on Pokemon cards and Rhino pills. What I've learned is what you don't want to do is don't buy. Don't buy Rhino pills while also buying Pokemon cards. Or wait, don't take Rhino pills while buying Pokemon cards. Because that shit it'll get you going. That'll blow your mind. That'll blow your mind. We got Lucas in the chat. Lucas is coming to California soon. He's coming to California. He's gonna pay for everything while he's here, he said. I told him my life's expensive, but he said, don't worry, I'm gonna pay for it. Lucas is going to go into generational debt hanging out with me in California. I'm actually getting the keys for my new office. I'm getting the keys for my new office today, so we're gonna be setting that up. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna put Lucas to work. Have him trading maybe in the morning with me and stuff. Gotta see what he's all about, you know. Ooh. They pumped it back up there, 850s, rolled it right back over again, 820s now. We got D-Money coming up at 10 o'clock. New office for what? For OnlyFans, bro. New office for OnlyFans. Are you in the desert full time now? Pretty much. I'm all over the place. You never know where I do, what I do, you know. Yeah, Nasdaq just kind of stuck here. I mean, what are you really going to do there? Do you only trade New York? I try to. That's kind of like my bread and butter, you know. If I trade other times, you know, I feel like I'm not as, you know, consistent. So. Kind of chopping around here for now, so good time to be patient, you know. Good time. This ain't real. What did Trump say?
But I'd go up to LeBron James. It doesn't matter. I'd say, LeBron, did you ever have any desire to be a woman? Because what I'd love you to do is star on my team that I'm building up. I will have the greatest team in history. They'll never lose. Nobody will come within 70 points of this team. Now we have to change that, and we have to make it okay to talk about it. You know, the young lady I was talking about is afraid to talk about it. She's shunned and she's canceled when she talks about it. This is crazy. Right, Kellyanne? I see my... And I'll tell you what, if I were ever... I'd be the greatest women's basketball coach. Because I don't like LeBron James. I like Michael Jordan much better. But I'd go up to LeBron James, it doesn't matter. I'd say, LeBron, did you ever have any desire to be a woman? Because what I'd love you to do is star on my team that I'm building up. I will have the greatest team in history. They'll never lose.
Oh, man. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Something else. Something else, man. The big news is the rapid end of day plan for MFU. Oh, what is going on? What is this? Rhino 69 super long lasting? Oh man, oh man. This market's crazy. Well, I think I'm going to go ahead and just close it out, my friends. I'm just going to close it out because, I mean, we made money. We locked in our payout with Tradeify. We had a good day overall. We had a little blunders here and there. The chop was real, but I'm good. I'm good with it. I'm not gonna fester on it. We survived. We came out alive, and tomorrow's another day. We got Thursday coming up, Friday, more action, more fun. So another day, another dollar. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. We got D-Money coming up at 12 o'clock, so big shout out to all of the people in the chat for coming around and hanging out and supporting the stream and you know, just having a good old time with us. So there it is. There it is. There it is. Fresh Cash Friday, Thirsty Thursdays. More action, more fun. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning. I got a lot of work to do. A lot of work. So that's it. That's it. I'll talk to y'all later on. Peace in the Middle East.